Cristo Rey, located in the city of Almada, Portugal, is a popular tourist destination known for its stunning views and historical significance. Cristo Rey is a statue of Christ with outstretched arms, similar to the iconic Christ the Redeemer statue in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Standing at an impressive height of 360 feet, it serves as a symbol of faith and spirituality. Many tourists visit Cristo Rey to admire its grandeur and take in the picturesque vistas it offers. From atop the statue's viewing platform, visitors can enjoy sweeping views of Lisbon's skyline. Overall, Cristo Rey is an enchanting destination that combines natural beauty with spiritual significance. Whether you're seeking breathtaking views or a place for reflection and tranquility, this iconic landmark in Portugal is sure to leave a lasting impression on any traveler.